Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can cancel Postmates order. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my Postmates homepage. So after opening the application, this is the page that you're gonna be in. So this page is for ordering items. And right here in the top, you're going to find the search bar where you can search for any item that you want. And under it, you're going to find the categories. And right here, some suggested or near restaurants. So as you can see, guys, right here, you can choose between deals category, grocery, convenience, alcohol, pharmacy, and so on. For example, we're going to go to deals and I'm going to choose McDonald's. So just choose which item that you want to buy. For example, I want to buy this one. After that, select the options that you want. And then, example, this one. And then click on add to cart. I need to choose two items. So once we finish, we're going to click on done and then click to add to cart. Once you click on add to cart, click on view cart and then right here, click on go to checkout, and here you can add your payment method, add your address, and so on. So from here under total, you can add your payment method. Once you add it, just go ahead and click on next, and then you can order the item. So if we go back right here, you're gonna find your card here, and if you want to cancel your order, just go to account, go to help, and then go to help with an order. And right here, you can either cancel your order or get a refund and so on. For me, I don't have an order yet, but if you have an order, you're gonna find this right here. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.